guys, so today I wanted to share with you my very first junk journal that I made. It's botanical themed. I think I did an okay job on it. It's not perfect. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with it. I don't know if I would sell it because, again, it's not perfect. I don't see myself journaling in it. I'm not really much of a journaler. I generally usually make kind of like these smaller kind of books. I put together a lot of these for my son's literacy club that he's in college, and like they kind of sell them. So they're generally like stamped with some, you know, that people can kind of write in and put stickers in. Sometimes I don't even like put anything in them, just people who are journaling and kind of like doing their own like stickers and stuff. So doing this was definitely a learning curve, and it was different than what I'm normally used to doing. But I love vintage and I love botanical, so I thought I'd give it a shot. I used some chipboard. I covered it with canvas, and the paper I print on, I have some great paper I'll show you. I was at a stamp show last year, and the person who does jelly plates was there, and her prints were so nice, and I asked her what paper she used, and she said she used like Staples paper, and it's a premium laser color paper. It's a 32 pound, and it's really smooth, so it's thicker than normal paper. It's not as thick as cardstock, and it's a smooth, not glossy, but a smooth paper, and it's great to print on. I print on an inkjet even though it says laser, but when you touch it, it's got a really nice smoothness to it, and it's a little thicker. So this is Artie Mays, and this is Dragonfly Dreams. And let's see, this is also Artie Mays, and this is Foxglove Bliss, and this is Dragonfly Dreams. Again, I didn't put too many tucks and different things. I figure if I'm giving it away, they can finish it. Whoever gets it can, you know, add some of their own touches to it. I did some. Dragonfly Dreams, this is Artie Mays, this is Victoria Designs, and the three kits, I'm not sure which is from which kit, but the three kits that are her Botanical Journal, the Herb Journal Kit, and Life Notes Kit. So this is just tracing paper. This is Victoria Designs. This is Love Junk Journals, and this is Splendid Designs, Splendid Nature. And this is Artie Mays, and this is Floral Collage. And I think this was the Foxglove kit. This is some masking paper, and I really like this paper. I get this at like Home Depot. It's great. And this is Artie Mays. Again, I put some little things in here. This is Victoria Designs. This is avocado stain paper that I've made. I really love the colors of this. This is After Midnight Iris digital kit, and I love, this is one of my favorite papers and kits. And I made these tags. I was going to actually put some twine through, and I did this part with the eyelets but didn't finish. This is on vellum. I love printing on vellum. I think it just looks so nice. So this is Dragonfly Dreams. This is Victoria Designs, the Botanical kit. Here is some more of the masking paper in brown. Victoria Designs, some coffee dyed paper. This, I believe, is Fragmentology by Love Junk Journals. Victoria Designs, this is the After Midnight. I love these little folders that come in here. This one's kind of upside down. This is Victoria Designs. Fragmentology, coffee dyed paper, Victoria Designs. Here we go, more Victoria Designs, this is Victoria Designs, more vellum, and this is Dragonfly Dreams. Got some avocado paper. I really like this one too. This is the Victoria Designs. Artie Mays, masking paper, some craft paper. I believe this is Splendid Nature. This is Splendid Nature. This is Victoria Designs. Tracing paper, Victoria Designs backgrounds, Dragonfly Dreams, After Midnight, a little pocket with some more little tags. This is Splendid Nature. I think this was Victoria Designs. This one is Artie Mays, and this is the Foxglove Bliss. fluffy paper. This one's really pretty. This is on vellum. Very pretty. Dragonfly Dreams. I'm not sure. I think this is Artie Mays. I think this is... I know that's Victoria Designs. This is the After Midnight. Victoria Designs. This is all Victoria Designs. I feel like this is the Field Journal kit, Botanical Journal. Victoria Designs. Artie Mays. This is Artie Mays. Dragonfly Dreams. Probably Victoria Designs. Background. Definitely Victoria Designs. More of these folders from After Midnight Iris kit, and this is an envelope. There's some envelopes in that kit. It's a really great kit. They're really well priced too. This is Artie Mays and Floral Collage After Midnight. This background is Victoria Designs. Victoria Designs. Victoria Designs. Victoria Designs. You can tell by the different styles too, like who they're from. It's Victoria Designs. After Midnight. It's like a tag for Artie Mays. Victoria Designs. Victoria Designs. Avocado paper. And we got some more of this vellum After Midnight. Fragmentology. Splendid Nature. This is tracing paper. Victoria Designs. This one is Artie Mays, and this is Floral Collage. This is the After Midnight. This is Victoria Designs. Some more Splendid Nature. After Midnight. More vellum. Tracy Fox. No, not Tracy Fox. Artie Mays. After Midnight. After Midnight. Some masking paper. This is Dragonfly Dreams. This is Victoria Designs. Fragmentology. Avocado paper. Here is Dragonfly Dreams background with After Midnight. This is Artie Mays. And this is the Dragonfly Dreams. This one's really too. I printed some of this on vellum and it came out really nice. This page with the blue background. And again, more of this After Midnight with the file folders. Here's Artie Mays, Dragonfly Dreams. Dragonfly Dreams. This is Artie Mays background lined paper. Dragonfly Dreams. Victoria Designs. Fragmentology. Dragonfly Dreams. This is the After Midnight. After Midnight. After Midnight. Splendid Nature. And this is Victoria Designs. And then the back of this is Artie Mays. And this is Floral Collage. And I think I just kind of folded this up. So again, there's not a lot of pockets and tucks and this and that, because I think if I do give it away, it's not finished, but maybe, you know, if I give it away, people can decorate it and put more stuff in if you're into junk journaling that you want. I also have some cutouts that I haven't even finished doing that I was thinking of putting in here. So I could possibly just like add these in. If I do a giveaway, maybe, you know, I'll just cut out some more of like the tags and stuff that came with the kits, and I'll just, you know, give them as part of that people can kind of add in as they want to add in. This is my very first junk journal. If you're interested in me doing kind of like a giveaway or something, leave some comments below, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.